The times may have changed, the technology, the clothes, the way we connect, but one thing remains the same: our commitment to equal protection under the law for all. We were there in the fields, in the courtrooms, making sure every immigrant had equal rights under the law. We've been in the classrooms, rallies, standing by musicians, journalists, and each man, woman, or child with an independent spirit. We won't leave the legal bench until the antagonized, the transsexual, and the one who demands to know his or her rights realizes them fully. We won't give up on protecting public funds, public spaces, and profiled persons. We won't stop standing by loving parents, renters, and fire victims. And each time the prisons get crowded, we will return. We return to the classroom to ensure that the words of the student are without censor. We win when everyone wins. Together, we will continue to mobilize, advocate, and shift the culture from one of rights for some to rights for all. We are the ACLU.